One morning, I only slept like 4 hours because they woke me up. So I was napping. Wake me up again. Look at this big boy. Well, you can't even see Robin. Is he there? Yeah. He's doing the exact same thing as Bruce, but without his butt in my face. As you can see, his butt is here. His face is here. Bruh, I can't breathe, bruh. Why do cats do this, bro? Ugh. Ow! And Robin is scratching my hand. Ah. Can I reach? Owie. Okay. Now my hand should be fine. Yeah, okay. Bruh, I wanted to use your tail as mustache. Let me have fun too. Butter, butter. Hello guys, my name is... Why are you showing me your butt, bro? Close that. Crazy cats. Oh wait, you can see Robin now, right here. Hey, see. Help guys, they're eating me alive. Help. Call the amber lamps. So this is like a comfort thing for them, I guess. Because this happens every single day, by the way. If you've seen the videos, even when I'm not using the blanket, they just love this blanket. I mean, Bruce is always like this, butt in my face, chilling on my chest. I don't know why. Robin does the same thing, but like face in your face. Bruce is the only one who is like butt in your face. Robin just comes, and he's like face to face, and you just go like this. You pet him. It's adorable. Bruce, you have to pet the other way around because he sits the other way around. Dumb dumb. Love me too, Robin. Maybe pet Robin too, so he doesn't get jelly. Yeah, see, he's nibbling on it. You probably can't hear it. It's very faint sounds, but he's going like. You're a good boy, Robin. Yeah, you're a good boy. Did you fall asleep? Yo, no. Sir, did you fall asleep, sir? It's happened before, so. Yo, can you turn around? What up? There? Like this. Come here. Oh, I was bruised, but. Oh, and this is what I mean. This is what Robin does. He just wants to look at you. Can I kiss your head? You're adorable. Oh. Owie! Bruce, stop stepping on my area. Oh, you wanna play? Hey, freedom! I get to nap. Oh. Okay. Are we chilling or no? Okay, they're gone.